All right, I want to show you another method that I think a lot of you will like if you like graphing lines using slope-intercept form. So we're going to do the same process to find the vertex. So we have the same example as we had the first time, y equals -1 times the absolute value of x plus 2 plus 3. So we determine our hk is -2, 3. So just like before, we're going to plot the vertex. So we go -2, up 1, 2, 3. All right. So now here's the difference. If the A value is positive, then we know the V is going to open up. If the A value is a negative value, then we know the V opens down. So in this case, our A value is -1. So A equals, it just says negative signs. That means it's -1. If you don't see a number there, it means -1. All right, so we know this one opens down. So all we have to do is we're going to start at the vertex, and we're going to use that, oops, I put it the negative. We're going to use that -1 as our slope. So from here, I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, all day long. Down 1, right 1. Okay, until you run out of space on your graph. All right, so now we think about that line of symmetry. Let's put the line of symmetry in. And then all we're going to do is mirror the other side like we did before. So 1 to the right, 1 to the left. 2 to the right, 2 to the left, the line of symmetry. 3 to the right, 3 to the left. Or you might start to see that the slope is just going down 1 left 1, down 1 left 1, right? So we just kind of continue that pattern as well. And then you connect your dots, you got your pretty graph for your absolute value function. So this is a way I think a lot of students like this method. I want you to see the table of values method first, and then if you can incorporate this, great. If you're not comfortable with this method, that'll be okay. I just want you to be able to graph it where way works best for you. Let's just talk real quick about if this was a positive value. If A was positive instead, let's say it was 1, positive 1 times x plus 2, absolute value plus the 3. Well, then we would have still started here at the vertex, but our first ray would have been, we go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, right? So the ray would have been going like this, and we would mirror the other side that way. So that's the only difference between a positive and a negative A value.